I'm Miss Tara from Fox Valley Flourish Twirling Club, and today we're going to be working on some level 3 interesting catches. We already know our catch under the leg from level 2, and make sure that you know the little Joes, reverse figure 8 thumb flip catch, because we're going to use that in our next level skill. So our first one, we're going to utilize those little Joes, but instead of catching them in front, we're going to catch them behind our back, right here. I'm going to stand a little bit on an angle so you can see. You're going to start with that reverse figure 8. But before we do it with a thumb flip, let's try just a drop. So you're going to hold your baton out, left hand comes behind your back. Baton, you're going to bring it back, and you're going to drop it down, and you're going to reach out with that right hand, because that's going to pull your hand, your left hand, towards the front so you can catch. And now we're going to switch. Left hand is out, you're going to pull back, and you're going to drop it into that right hand. Let's try it with just the drop again. Bring it in, drop, in, and drop. Now, we're going to do the same catch, once you're comfortable with that, but with a thumb flip. So we're going to start with that reverse figure 8. You're going to reach that left hand behind your back. It's going to come in for that thumb flip. You're going to bend the elbow. You're going to bring it towards your shoulder. You want to flip it right at the shoulder. You're going to reach the arm out so that your shoulder moves out of the way. It'll drop down and right into that hand. I can't do it slow. Let me try it regular speed. Bring it behind, thumb flip, catch. And now we're going to bring it out in the left. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. That right hand's going to come around the back. We're going to bring that thumb flip in. I can't do this one very slow. It's going to come back and drop down. Let me try it for real. And bring it in, catch. Reverse figure 8. Bring it in, catch, and out. I actually find these easier to do faster. These are harder for me to do this slow because the baton needs to rotate a little bit so that it'll turn into that hand. If it's not turning enough, it could miss the hand and just drop down the back. Work on these. So you start with your regular little Joes, and then you can try catching them behind the back. Keep working on those. It's going to take a little while to get comfortable. Try it with the drop, catch behind the back, and then try it with the thumb flip, catch behind the back. Try regular little Joes, and then behind the back little Joes. Our next catch is called a backhand catch. We do it with the right hand. Your right hand is going to come down, and it's going to stick out the front here. And when we do it often, we catch in a lunge. That right foot out, left knee bent, turn, and the left hand's going to be up. That baton is going to come straight down and into this hand. Left hand up by your ear. There's a couple ways we can get into this. Let's start with just a drop. So we're going to go drop, and you're going to twist. It's not here in front. We have to turn that hand around backhand. So we're going to go drop, catch backhand. Drop, catch backhand. Try it again. Drop, catch backhand. Now, we can do it a couple different ways. Let's start with a backhand flip. Since we've been doing the drop, we're going to go backhand flip, catch backhand. And again, like the behind the back ones, it's actually easier when the baton rotates. When it's not rotated enough, it can either miss the hand altogether or it can hit the hand kind of hard because it's not getting that full rotation. It's just dropping, and it can kind of hurt. So don't be afraid to let the baton spin a little bit and catch. Backhand flip, backhand catch. Backhand flip, backhand catch. Make sure you get here each time. You can also do it just in the right hand. Thumb flip, catch backhand. Thumb flip, catch backhand. Thumb flip, catch backhand. You'll notice when I do this one, I just leave my free hand on my hip. When you're doing that backhand flip, it's nice to backhand flip and then pull the left arm up out of the way because you get that nice stretch and you don't get this weird little dead hand that I see a lot when I'm judging. Up. Those are our two main interesting catches from level 3, behind the back and backhand. Work on those in different ways and see what you can come up with. Some of them are going to be a little easier than others, and that's okay. If it's hard, Take it back one level, do just the regular little Joes, then add the behind the back. Try just the drop, then add that backhand flip. If it's not working, always take it back a step, get that lower level, then move back up to the harder one. Good luck and keep twirling.